Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you all controls and gestures on your headphones JVC. So let's start. You can play and pause the song by pressing one time on your left earbud. So I'm just press it and I pause it and I press again and I play the song. Now if you press 3 times on your left earbud, you will increase the volume. 1, 2, 3. And I just increase it. 1, 2, 3 again, and again I increase it. If you press 2 times on your left earbud, you will lower the volume. 1, 2, and again 1, 2. As you can see, it working. Let's go with right one. If you press 2 times, you will play next track. 1, 2, and here's the next one. If you press 3 times, you will play previous track. 1, 2, 3. And I just press it. Next, if you press 1 time on your right earbud, you will enable or disable ANC mode. So just 1 time, and I just enable it. 1 time more, and I disable it again. Now, if someone called to you, you can answer the call by pressing 1 time on your left earbud. So I'm just press it, and I call. So you can't reject a call, just answering the call with your gestures on the headphones, but you can mute your microphone. Just press 1 time on your left earbud and you will mute it. And 1 more and you will unmute the microphone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.